Upstairs. I'm going upstairs. Room, but room. Big was room.
Yeah.
It's what big was room.
Oh, it's a big girl's room?
Yeah.
Oh.
I think it's on the wall. I think it's on the wall.
There's stickers on the wall?
Yeah.
Oh. Who gave you stickers to put on your wall? Luann? We have to show her how to turn the legs of the baby so he can sit.
Sit.
There you go. You know how to do it.
Big dirt.
Is that Elena?
Big dirt should here.
Turn her legs. Oh, there you go.
Sit that way. Sit. Sit. Here. Sit. Sit. So much. That's so much.
What are you doing, crazy girl?
I said Mommy's taking chicken. Mommy's taking and chicken. Mommy's taking and chicken.
Oh, Mommy's cooking in the kitchen?
Yeah.
Oh, what's she making? What is Mommy cooking? Chicken?
Yeah.
Pasta?
Yeah.
Yeah. And grapes?
Yeah. Chips and scissors.
Can you say thank you to Mommy and Daddy for your gifts, for your presents?
Thank you, Mommy and pencils.
And Daddy, say thank you, Daddy.
Thank you, Daddy.
Say love you. Elena, how old are you today?
2.
2? Is it your birthday?
Yeah.
Happy birthday to you. Say bye-bye.
Baby took.
Baby's cooking?
Yeah.
Oh.
Tablecloth.
Oh, that's okay.
Baby sit here. Baby sit there too. Table. Baby sit here. That. It's Mommy. It's Mommy's here. It's Mommy's here.
She's right here.
Mommy here.
Oh, it's in the kitchen, Elena.
Happen. It's Mommy's. It's Mommy's table. It's Mommy's table. It's Mommy's table.